Hi, I'm Mike with Fortitude Drywall and Paint. I'll give a little run through about what we got going on here. We had a bunch of cracks and lumps and bumps. So what we do first is we try to scrape out anything that's loose or falling off. And then when there's big cracks, if you push on them and they move at all, we like to screw them down, try to hold them still. And then I use Durabond, which is a lot stronger than normal mud and dries a lot quicker. And we use that to pre-fill any big holes or gaps or anything like that. And then use tape to get it smooth and cover up all the ripples and everything. And then the next step is trying to get it flat as possible because there'll be humps and stuff. So we gotta make them pretty big. This was a lot of different cracks going every way, so I just kind of went over the whole thing. But with this one up here, you can see it's just one crack, but it's got a pretty big hump. When it's bumped out, you gotta bust it out pretty big to try to flatten everything out. Give it a sand and then paint it and we're all good to go.